In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make business cards in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then here we just need to click on the File tab, and here you'll find more templates. Click on that. And now you will find this search bar, search for online templates. So before you can go on with this process, make sure you are connected to an internet connection, because you cannot go on into this if you're not connected to any internet connection. Okay, so click on the search bar and simply type business cards. Okay, and click on this search icon. And from here, there will be different templates for business cards. So it's up to you as to what do you prefer for your style and for your preference. Now let me go with this one. So you just have to click your choice and click on this create button. And then here you will find this one. So you can now edit this. You can change this into your name. You just need to type your name from here. Okay. And then your address, and then your contact numbers, and then that's it. And if you want to save this, simply click on file, click on save as, and then browse for the location as to where you want it to be saved. It could be in desktop, and simply change the file name to your choice, and then click on save. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily make a business card in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.